Hello friend. If your JBL speaker turns off at higher volumes or is not as loud as it used to be, then it's a sign that the battery is old or defective and needs to be replaced. If you're ready to save your speaker, then take off the speaker strap so that it does not interfere with the speaker grill removal process. To remove the JBL Xtreme speaker grill itself, you need to get 2 screwdrivers from your grandfather's manicure bag, a flat one and a Phillips head screwdriver. Then find where is the front of the speaker. Logo should be there. You need to know this because with a flat screwdriver you'll have to gently pry open the opposite side, or the back side. Insert the flat screwdriver through the gap and break it open. Do this at the both ends. This is necessary to get to the hidden screws. There is 1 screw at each end. Take a Phillips screwdriver and screw them open. The main thing is not to lose the 2 screws, as you'll need them to put the speaker grill back on. Once you got both screws out, all you have to do is remove the cover shell itself. It's like peeling pomelo fruit. Take off the JBL peel. You can't really damage anything here. Many people have asked if removing the speaker grill like this affects the splash proof. Nope. Putting on socks does not make you Aquaman. The JBL Xtreme 1 is not waterproof, it's just splash proof, which means you don't have to worry about rain or spills. Turn the speaker upside down because battery is at the bottom part. Now you have to remove this fabric cover. It's being held by 3 screws. Screw them loose and put them aside so that they don't disappear. Then you need to loosen this cover with a flat screwdriver. The back of it is held in place by plastic caps. Be careful and don't break them. To get to the battery, you need to unscrew these 8 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. As always, put all screws somewhere where they won't get lost, so that you can put the speaker back together afterwards. Once all screws are unscrewed, take the lid off, but be careful not to damage the ribbon cable that is hidden under the black slot. To avoid damaging the ribbon cable, unscrew the 2 small screws securing the LED indicator panel. Remove the cover from the LED housing, and now the cable should be safe. To disconnect the battery from the JBL amplifier inside the speaker, you have to unscrew the left passive radiator speaker, which is screwed in with about 6 screws. Then it will come off easily. Here's the battery cable. Just disconnect it from the amplifier board by pressing the connector trigger, and pull the battery cable through the gap in the housing. Here's the old, damaged battery. It's bloated, and such battery is dangerous because it can catch on fire. And here's the original JBL Xtreme 1 battery and its specs. 7.4 volts, 5000 mAh, 37 Wh, and lithium polymer type. A new battery replacement can be bought on Amazon or Aliexpress. Links will be in the description. Connect the new battery the same way you disconnected the old one, and put everything back together like you disassembled it, just in reverse. In this way you can get your JBL Party boombox back without spending $200 buying a new one. Don't forget to make it rain on like and subscribe buttons by using the money you saved. If you have any difficulties, feel free to email us or leave a comment. We will try to help you. Good luck and see ya!